everybody, my name is SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360, and PC. We are not doing either one of those. We are doing cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. Today we're going to just be doing another different version of a burrito. We're going to be doing a lot of, we're going to use the refried beans of the black beans this time. And then we're going to put it along with the peeled tomatoes and put these two together. This is basically a enchilada sauce. Basically, you just lay it on top or whatever of anything, and you'll be able to work with whatever sauce, you know, like a topping dressing or whatever for it. We're going to have lettuce. We're also going to have some diced green peppers, or whatever you want to add with it. You can have jalapenos, you can have whatever you want to do. But we're going with mild stuff, so if you want to add your own spiciness, go ahead and do so. But we're going to go mild all the way through, so if you guys want to do that, go ahead. And then we're going to do a chicken fajita. What we're going to do is we're going to also cook this up in the stove, so that you can actually know that it's being cooked at the same time or whatever when we're doing this. So once I get this open and put it in, we'll get working on that. Other than that, step a little closer to see what we're going to do next. So basically, now we got this chicken fajita out of its package. We've already unopened these two cans here, although this one wants to fight back. So we got those two open. I set the oven on 450 on boil, and hopefully this will actually help cook this up or whatever. They said that you're supposed to grill it or use a skillet. We're going to try to boil it and see how this is going to work. So anyways, we're going to combine these two together when this gets put inside the oven. So hopefully we'll do these step by step or whatever and go from there. The salad and the green peppers, we're putting them off to the side because due to the fact that that is dressing topping for the extra stuff or whatever that we're going to combine together with this. And then we're going to have a tortilla shell for the combining all of this. You can make it like a burrito, or you can make it like a taco shell, soft taco shells or whatever. My suggestion is that you get a soft taco shells to work with for the burritos. That will be coming up after we get done with all of this cooking stuff, and I'll show you what I'm talking about when we get to that point. Until then, we'll see what happens next. So basically now the oven is ready. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pop this into the oven. I have this set up at 450 on the oven, so and boiled. So here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a maybe a half an hour to work on the boiling part of the work, so we can actually get this thing going. And then we're going to go right into this here, so hopefully you guys are ready to get closer and see what I'm going to do with that too. That's like we usually do with the refried beans and making up with it with with any other substitute that goes with it. You have to cook it. So there is no ifs, ands, or buts. You got to actually get this stuff out of here. Let's try it. There we go. And we're going to smush this down. And then we're going to add the tomatoes along with that. And then we'll put that on between medium and medium high. We're going to be right in between that point cooking this. So don't forget to clean the cans in the proper spot and then basically cook from there. Come back and see what we're going to do next. Now, I know I said we'll add some of this with the lettuce, but we're going to do it here because it would be best off if they're soft. So grab a good handful like so and then just lightly on top of it. If you think that it's less, go for a little bit more back in the bag and dump some more into that. Now after that, you want to mix it all together. So you can add seasoning to it. You can also add some chili powder in this moment here. When this is like getting softened and stuff like that, you may want to add some whatever you want to add in there, like onions. You can also add in green peppers, like I just did there. Italian seasoning. You can add you can add whatever you want to add into this point right here, and then you can add the lettuce a lot later or whatever when this is done cooking. So this is like a different type of style of cooking, and let's not forget that tomorrow will be the day of remembrance for Cinco de Mayo, so let's not forget about those Mexican people. Enjoy the Mexican food and have some fun if you have to. But remember to know your history about Cinco de Mayo and learn to accept different cultures as they are. So, as that being said, we're going to allow that to warm up a little bit more. We're working on in the stove or whatever, in the stove, the fajita, chicken fajita. So once that gets done cooking or whatever, we're going to cut it up, and then we're going to have it, you know, add that as a little more, you know, meaty flavor for this whole situation. So, and basically, I had to turn this this stuff down to low, so that it gives them this enough time to cook or whatever. So now what you want to do is once this is out or whatever, you want to cut it in strips. Basically, you don't want to overdoing it too much. And if it's still pink, you can actually you can actually make the put it in the microwave and have it cooked a little longer if you find it's still too pink or whatever. My only suggestion is you got to make sure to have it cook long enough for it. That's why I set it at 450 at broil, so it can actually cook it all the way through if possible for about half an hour. And it looks like I may have to put the rest of some of this into the microwave. Because it's still pink. So we'll get this taken care of soon. And we're just trying to get this all cut down. You could do it in strips, or if you want to do it in cubes, that's up to you. My suggestion is, if you're going to cut it, make sure that most of the pink is able to be seen. If you haven't cooked it all the way through. So my suggestion is to probably cube them, so that once you get them all cooked up or whatever, it would be all availability from then on. So that's the only suggestion I can give you. Wanted to do it in strips, but I'm trying to get all of this removed. And then my suggestion is once you get done cutting it up or whatever, and you find some pink stuff, please go ahead and put it in the microwave. About maybe 45 minutes will do, probably, on majority of the pinks. If it didn't cut out to be at 45, I suggest try another 45 and go from there until it's all cooked and everything. So that being said and done, hopefully you enjoyed what I'm doing right here. Come back and see what the finished product looks like. So basically we're on the final stage of this whole thing or whatever. As I said before, for the shells or whatever, my suggestion is to find yourself a like a flat tortilla shell if you can. You can make it as a burrito. You can make it as a like a soft nacho shell or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and make this. I'm going to place that there. And then like I said about the salad, you can also put the salad on last or whatever. That's pretty much your prerogative if you really want to. I'm going to place that over there. And then you can go ahead and grab some of this and put it on there like so. And if you want to, you can also grab some of these. And I know you're not probably not need to use your hands or whatever, but I don't care. I'm going to be eating it myself, or if my dad likes to have some of it, it's up to him. And then you can put this salad on top like so. And if you're really into this enchilada sauce or whatever, you can probably put it right on top too. Like so. Now basically with this plate here, I'm having issues trying to get underneath this the shell with using this plate, but basically you can actually make the taco stuff like that. So basically you can actually have it like an actual taco shell size or whatever, like so, and you can eat it from that like that, or you can make it a very small amount and stuff like that and make an actual burrito out of it. But this is basically a soft taco, basically doing this or whatever. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Do come back and see me next time when I do Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. After I want to eat some of this. I feel like I want to eat this. That was really good. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy the content. Please do come back and see me next time. Until then, bye for now.